Now we have our App of the Week section, and this comes to us courtesy of Kareen Kiwan, who is going to demonstrate Turbo Alarm.
Hello everybody, this is Kareen Kiwan. I'm going to talk about some of the features of Turbo Alarm Clock, which is my favorite alarm clock application. I think I'm using this one since more than 7 years. The app is free, but you can subscribe to the pro version to add some more features. I'm using the free one.
Ruth, Turbo Alarm. Turbo Alarm. No alarms.
When you launch the app for the first time, it will ask you to exclude it from battery optimizations, and that is necessary to prevent delaying alarms or sometimes missing ones.
Open drawer button. Order.
Okay, so I'm in the alarms list section. I will go to the drawer. I can swipe to it and I can press or touch on the top of the screen at the left.
Open drawer button.
Okay.
Menu.
I'm here in the drawer.
Invite friend. Ticked alarm list. Stopwatch. Timer. Pro. Night clock. More options. Settings. App health. Cloud.
Cloud is also like the timer. It's a pro feature. It's related to the backup of alarms and settings and multi-device support. And I can become a pro.
Become a pro.
Here.
App health.
App health.
Not ticked.
Here, if there is any issue in the app that will prevent it from working properly, it will be shown here.
List. 1 ignores permission. Everything should work correctly, but if you are experiencing some problems, please contact us. 1 current status. You are doing great.
Okay, I have no issues. And I'm back in the alarms list. I will add an alarm. You can also find it on the right side, nearly at the bottom of the screen.
Add alarm button. Select time.
Okay, I will
switch to text input mode for the time input. Cancel button. Hour. Not. Edit box for hour. Showing number keyboard. Dot. 8. 0.
Let's have it on
0. 8. 8. Max. Showing number keyboard. 3. Board. 3. 3. 3.
33. And okay.
OK. 3. OK. Button. Alarm set for 21 hours and 35 minutes. Alarm detail. Specific date.
Okay, I can have it to start ringing on a specific date, like the 8th of June, let's say.
Test now. More options. Button. Selected. Alarm clock. Add tag. 8:33. On. Enable. Tomorrow.
Okay, it will ring tomorrow.
Monday inactive.
Here I'm having the days of the week. So if I just keep them inactive, all of them not active, what will happen is that it will just ring tomorrow and it will become a non-repetitive alarm. So it will go. It will be off after that.
Tuesday inactive. Alarm disabled. Wednesday inactive. Tuesday active.
I activated Tuesday, so now it will start ringing on next Tuesday and it will ring on Tuesday each week.
Wednesday inactive. Thursday inactive. Some melody. Alarms greater than.
Melody. Alarms here.
Basic
I will press
ringtone.
on that.
Basic ring. Song.
I have basic ringtone, song.
Songs folder.
And songs folder. Here I can guide the app to a specific folder. In that folder I'm putting audio tracks. It will randomly play one of them each time the alarm rings. So, and before it told me that alarms. So what I was doing that I'm using the alarms folder to choose from. The app chooses from the alarms folder. Let's press on that.
/story. Movies. Font. Audio _app. Android. Less than. Alarms. Less than direct to grid. Time. Less than direct.
Okay. I can choose.
Basic ringtone. Songs folder. Playlist.
And I have a playlist. I can add a playlist to the playlists folder and the app can see it, and also it will play the tracks randomly.
Spotify. Pro.
Spotify is a pro feature. Going back.
Alarm detail. Alarms greater than. Volume. 100%. Slider. Incremental sound. On. Switch.
Incremental, so the app will, or the alarm will start ringing on a lower volume and then it will be increased gradually to reach the maximum one.
Vibration. On. Simulate sunrise. Off. Cancel action. Drop down. Pop-up window. Draw square. Draw a triangle. Shake device.
I'm not sure about drawing, if it's accessible or not. I didn't use it.
Switch room light on.
Okay, switching the lights on.
Long press on screen.
Double tap and the long press should work.
Touch screen. Slide ball. Small button. Ticked. Big button. Slide bar. Step counter.
If I take the device and walk, and I can select the number of steps to turn off the alarm.
Volume buttons.
Will not work with talkback.
Random.
The volume and random. Okay, I always use the buttons.
Alarm detail. Drop. Snooze action. Drop down menu. Small button. Stop after. Never greater than.
Okay, when the ringing will stop if I didn't do anything, if I don't do anything, like if I don't dismiss it or snooze it.
Minigame. Puzzle. Drop down menu. Disabled.
Not accessible.
Camera flash. Drop down. What's this? Movement detector.
Okay, if it detects a movement, like if I carry the device, if it turn down the volume or silence the alarm.
Drop down menu. Disabled. What's this? Button.
This is interesting, although I don't use it.
Anti-sleep ahead. If the alarm is ringing for a few minutes without being cancelled, an annoying ringtone start ringing at maximum volume and also with a fast vibration pattern. Don't show. OK. Button.
Okay.
Alarm detail.
This is the
Anti-sleep ahead.
anti-sleepy head. And
Off. Switch. What's this? Security alarm.
security alarm, if I grant the permission, the location permission to the app, after some time that is configurable, the app, the app detects that I'm still at home, it will ring again, and I configure the next alarm, how it will ring.
Off. Switch.
Okay, so I will test the alarm right now.
8. More options. But test now. More options. Test now. Alarm ringing. Alarm clock. 11:03. Snooze alarm button. Cancel alarm button.
I pressed on
Alarm detail. Test now.
I pressed on
Notification shade.
cancel alarm.
11:03.
It took some time. I don't know why. Anyway, I'm using the beta version.
Alarm detail. Test now.
Usually it doesn't do such thing. Okay, so
More option. Test now.
okay, I will go back.
Turbo alarm. Add alarm button.
So the alarm is added.
On 1. Option. Not ticked. Alarm clock. 8:33. Tuesday. Options 1. Pop-up window.
I can
Delete.
it,
Duplicate.
duplicate,
Modify next.
modify the next alarm, only the next one.
Skip next alarm.
Skip only the next one, like the next Tuesday.
Cancel skip days.
And I can cancel the skip days. Okay, I will
Duplicate.
delete it.
Delete. The alarm has been deleted. Undo button.
Okay.
Turbo alarm. No alarms.
So what else? Let's see some of the settings quickly.
Undo. The
Okay, I
Add
can
alarm
undo
button.
the
No alarms.
deletion.
More options button. Order. Open drawer. Menu. Become a pro. App health. Night stopwatch. Timer. Night clock. More options. Settings. General alarm settings. Default. Appearance.
Okay, in the appearance, I want to show you just the time picker.
Shape. Rounded. Alarm list header. Clock font. Digital. Highlight next alarm. Time picker type. Modern radio. Time picker type. Ticked. Modern radio.
The one that I'm using is the modern radial, and you have the text input mode in that one.
System.
You have the system.
Number pad.
Number pad, it's also workable. It's accessible, considered accessible.
Grid.
Grid, not accessible.
Classic radio.
Classic radial also.
Cancel button.
And okay, so those are the
Turbo
available
alarm.
ones.
Time picker type. Alarm. Heading.
Okay, so I will go back.
Settings. Navigate. Security alarm. General alarm setting. New alarm default values. New alarm configuration.
Okay,
Configure the weight, vibration,
default
sound.
configuration of
Alarms
a
are
new-
created by
when
default.
when I'm adding a new alarm.
Ring mode. Heading.
Okay, I'm having the
Increment volume length. 60 seconds.
okay. How much time it will need to reach the maximum volume?
Vibration type. Relaxed vibration.
Vibration type.
Vibration delay. 3 seconds.
After what time the ring or the app will start, the device will start vibrating, so I can have it.
Choose action. 2. Button. 3. Edit box.
Okay,
2.
I can
Button.
Change it.
Turbo alarm.
Excessively.
Vibration delay 3 seconds. Vibrate after cancelling. Vibration to confirm alarm. Snooze alarm. Heading. Snooze length. When snoozing, the alarm rings again after 2 minutes. Decremental snooze interval. Decreasing snooze interval. Tick, tick. Limit number of snoozes. Unlimited snooze. Talking alarm. Heading. What to say. Things to say after the alarm is finished. What to say. Day of week. Time. Weather. Alarm label. Temperature. Cancel button. Turbo. When to say. When talking alarm will talk.
Okay, while it's ringing, when it's snoozed, when it's dismissed.
Others. Heading. Delete after ringing. Non-repetitive alarms. Alarms are not deleted after ringing. Not ticked. Anti-sleepyhead delay. 7 minutes.
Okay, the time of anti-sleepyhead.
Steps to give. 10 steps are needed to finalize the alarm.
Steps to give. Okay, so I'll see
Appearance.
this
General
working
alarm.
here.
Improved night security alarm. Learn how. General alarm. Night mode. Advanced
In
config.
the advanced.
Temperature unit. Display. Weather. Heading.
I can add the weather.
Temperature unit. Displays temperature in either Celsius or Fahrenheit. Weather location. Weather location determined by GPS.
Okay, I can just add my location manually also.
Advanced settings. Heading.
I hope that this app will be useful for some at least, and thank you for listening.